Today we are doing 3-2, simplify and evaluate algebraic expressions. We have a few terms I want to go over, and the first one is term. So whenever we talk about term in terms of math, that is a variable. So it's the number variable product of a number, one or more variables. So it can be representing a number, which is called the variable. It can be a product of a number or one or more variables. So a term could be something like this right here. It has a number, it has a variable, and it has a product. So this is considered a term right here. This is also a term. This is also a term. This is also a term. And 20 is also a term. Numerical coefficient is the number part of the term with the variables. So if you look here, this is the numerical. That 2 in front of the variable is the numerical coefficient. 3 is also a numerical coefficient. 2 is also a numerical coefficient. Then you have something called the literal coefficient, and that's a variable part of the term. So I'm going to move this up a little bit so you can see it. So right here we have our literal part, which is the a squared. So that part is the literal part of the coefficient. The 2 is the numerical portion. And then you have something called a constant, and it's a term without a variable, so the constant would be 20. So if it asked you how many terms you had, you would say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Your numerical coefficient would be 2, or 3, or this 2 right here. And your literal coefficient would be the a squared, the a, and the c. So when we write in all of this together, this forms what's called an algebraic expression. So all of these together are considered algebraic expressions. Let's get into our first example. It says identify the number of terms in each expression, and it asks us to name the numerical and the literal coefficients of each term and the constant of each term. So when I look at my first one, I have 3xy squared plus 5x minus 2. This whole thing is an algebraic expression. So if it asks me how many terms do we have, I would say, well, I have 1, 2, 3 terms. So I can write 3. Numerical coefficients would be 3 and 5. The literal coefficient would be the xy squared and the x from the 5x. And the constant would equal -2. Let's look at B. Same question, just gives you some decimals. It says number of terms, so I got 1, 2, 3 terms. My numerical coefficients, which are those numbers in front of the variables, are 1.5, -0.5, and 2.4. My literal coefficients are mn squared, m to the third, m to the fourth n squared. I do not have a constant at the end. There's no number plus or minus anything at the end that is a constant, so I would write none.